Hello everyone, today I discuss Afriqiyah Airways baggage allowance. Afriqiyah Airways baggage allowance. So this is the YouTube thumbnail, this video thumbnail. So Afriqiyah Airways baggage allowance. Here the baggage allowance for Afriqiyah Airways IATA. Always check the ticket route and specify routes. Afriqiyah Airways baggage allowance cabin baggage hand carry, one pitch only, maximum weight 7 kg, must fit an overhead bin under the seat. A small personal item handbag or laptop usually allowed. Checked baggage allowance. Checked baggage economic class. Fee allowance 20 kg. Weight concept not strictly by the number of bag. Single bag usually should not exceed 32 kg. Checked baggage allowance business class. Free allowance 30 kg. Weight base allowance. Infant baggage 10 kg. Checked baggage allowance. Checked baggage 1 collapsible stroller or baby carries usually free. Access baggage charge per kilogram. Fees depend on route and departure country. Paid by airport and airlines office.